प्रगति बहुत परेशान दिख रही हो आज, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, एंग्री हो, what has happened?
Don't ask. As much as I'm trying to control my anger and frustration, but when I see others getting angry, I get more angry.
Okay, so let us pick this as today's topic, anger and frustration. Pragati, you want to talk about it?
Yeah, as in, why is this happening to me?
Well,
I'm aware. I understand that anger is one letter short of danger.
yeah.
But मैं जब देखती हूँ कि कोई किसी और पे गुस्सा हो रहा है या मैं खुद कभी अपने बच्चों पे गुस्सा करती हूँ, and then I'm like, why is this happening? I tend to also check my BP and all of that, but there must be some way to manage it, right?
Well, it's a deeper discussion. Anger is an expression. It's also an emotion. Let's understand why we get frustrated. You want to know why you get frustrated?
Yeah, I mean, क्या है मतलब?
See, most of us have this inner picture in our head of an ideal life, the way we want to be in any situation. And there's an external reality. And the gap between our ideal picture and the external reality causes frustration and anger. The bigger the gap, the bigger the frustration. Now let me ask you, if there's an ideal picture in the head, which you might be having, and there's a reality outside and it is causing frustration, which one of these can you change? Inner. And most people keep trying to change the outer reality and it doesn't change, which increases this frustration and anger.
Agreed, Ashish, but see, there are certain things that one has to do, right? Now, say for
Yes.
example, हम लोग सुबह उठते हैं, there is from a hygiene point of view, we all need to brush, we all need to have a bath.
How do you know we?
Whatever. It is a hygiene factor. इसमें दो राय क्या है?
How do you know?
I know.
How do you know? That's why I know you know, and I know you're correct. But how do you know? What is your source of knowing this?
The early upbringing, parents ने जैसे सिखाया.
Right. So are your parents bringing up your kids?
No.
So whose upbringing is it?
We school में भी तो यही सिखाते हैं ना, hygiene, that you get up,
Right.
you
स्कूल में तो ये भी सिखाते हैं कि बच्चों से नाराज नहीं होते. तो क्या हर चीज एप्लीकेबल हो जाती है? देखो, whenever we are trying to run our lives and other people's life through idealism, it's bound to be messed up.
But Ashish, what इसमें idealism क्या है? You won't brush your teeth?
How do you know?
Because for me, gets very frustrating to keep losing my cool on my kids on basics. उनको
Yes.
पता है?
So you're losing your cool. Is it bringing any benefit to your kids?
No.
Right. So which means there could be another way. You want your kids to understand that brushing their teeth is important. And your current method of getting frustrated is not working.
Yeah.
So, would you like to continue to do the same or do something else?
No, I do, because even in my peers, we all use प्यार से बोलते हैं, थोड़ा गुस्सा करके भी बोलते हैं, but somehow I don't understand basics क्यों नहीं register होते हैं, फिर वहाँ गुस्सा आ जाता है.
Yes, okay. Basics register होते हैं. बच्चे हमारी बात नहीं सुनते, वो हमें कॉपी करते हैं, वो हमारे एक्शंस को कॉपी करते हैं, और वो वाले एक्शंस कॉपी करते हैं जो उनको सबसे आसान लगते हैं. हो सकता है आप पिछले 10 सालों से रोज अपने टीथ ब्रश करते हो और उसमें से 4 दिन आपने नहीं किया. बच्चे वो भी नोटिस कर रहे हैं, और जो आसान रास्ता है, द पाथ ऑफ लीस्ट रेजिस्टेंस, as humans we tend to follow that. So the idea is to become that model, and right now when you're getting angry and frustrated, you are becoming a model of angry and frustrated for your children.
Yeah, and I think unfortunately they are, most children end up aping that versus what you're actually role modeling.
Yes, so because it is the path of least resistance.
Yeah. And I think that happens with adults as well, right?
Oh yes, yes. See,
But-
let's understand anger a little bit.
Yeah.
Anger has two parts to it. One, the emotion that we feel inside. One, what we express.
Yeah.
Usually for many people, both of them come together. But many people have a way to channelize their anger inside itself. Or many people have the art of only expressing it and not feeling it. In order to do this, you must be able to separate these two parts, what you're feeling and what you're expressing. Your expression can be artful.
I think that's I mean, yeah, I think you're spot on over there, Ashish. But forget the kids. I think with even adults, you know, you have a two adults are having a conversation. You might not agree on certain things.
Correct.
You know, and आप किसी से सहमत नहीं होते किसी बात पे.
Correct.
And as much as you're being civil in the conversation, हम देखते हैं कि जो ऑपोजिट बंदा होता है, then they start discriminating. वो आपको या तो बॉडी शेम करने लग जाएंगे, या they will question your self worth, या वो ऐसे दिखाएंगे कि हमारे पास ये है, तुम्हारे पास क्या है types.
Correct.
So you know, and I know this is happening from anger, right? Obviously, they are not agreeing with your thought process, which is fine.
Correct.
There is a way to disagree. But for many people, I've noticed in office scenarios, घर में, हम एकदम से ना तुम कौन होते हो बोलने वाले पे आ जाते हैं, या हम बोलने लग जाते हैं कि we मतलब हम रेशियल हो जाते हैं. We try to pull down that person, उसका background या skin color, मतलब रेशियल हो जाते हैं, which is really sad कि मतलब पढ़े लिखे घरों में भी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं. So
इसमें पढ़ाई लिखाई का कोई लेना देना नहीं.
Yeah, I think so. But so then what do you do at that moment? You withdraw, right?
Okay.
But जो withdraw कर रहा है उसके अंदर भी तो गुस्सा है कि वो दूसरे बंदे को, क्योंकि वो अपनी सिविलिटी खोलना नहीं चाह रहा है या चाह रही है, बट वो अपनी मेच्योरिटी दिखा के withdraw कर लेता है उस सिचुएशन, क्योंकि की बहसबाजी में कोई फायदा नहीं है.
करेक्ट.
बट वो खुद भी उस इंटरनल एंगर से जूझ रहा होता है.
हाँ,
right?
अगर उसको दूसरे तरीके नहीं आते.
Yeah, and I think all this pent up emotion eventually, you know, hits your health.
It can hit your health.
And a lot of us are not aware about it. I mean, I have this awareness, so a lot of times I do things to calm myself, you know, talk to somebody or call you. But how do you create that awareness, and how do you help?
Okay, let's understand this. A lot of people come to me and say, I'm a very angry man.
Yeah.
Or my partner is very angry. Or my boss is very angry.
Yeah.
And I tell them, is the person angry, or is anger one of the behavior a person displays sometimes?
A lot of people take pride in saying, ना, जैसे कि I'm an angry person, या मैं बहुत short tempered हूँ.
हाँ.
मतलब it's like
so they are attaching the anger to their identity. Whereas anger is one of the behaviors down there.
Yeah.
It's not your identity. Because you're not always angry.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's
it is sometimes you display a behavior called anger. And when you think like this, you will know that you display other behaviors also, and you have access to other tools, as in using the Berger model, as in drawing boundaries, as in using empathy with people whose presence or some actions might have triggered that anger in you. So it is about internal reprogramming. Anger is one of the behaviors which some people display. It is not their identity.
It is not their identity, and I think that's so right. I think majority of us feel मतलब हमें गर्व होता है कि हाँ भैया मैं short tempered हूँ. So मतलब हम क्या announcement दे रहे हैं?
हाँ, वो एक हमने जमाना पूरा देखा है जहाँ पर angry behavior glorified था. Angry behavior ऐसा था कि हाँ ये पावर की निशानी है.
Angry young man. फिर arrogance.
Yeah. ये सब सोशल डिफाइंस के पार्ट्स हैं. और जब हम सोशल डिफाइंस करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं कभी कभी ये जरूरी होती है, लेकिन अगर ये आपकी आइडेंटिटी का पार्ट बन जाती है तो आपको बर्न कर देती है. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक दिस. एंगर क्या है? एंगर एक कमजोरी की निशानी है. एंगर इज अ साइन ऑफ वीकनेस, बिकॉज एंगर सिंपली सेज आई कांट डू एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस. एंगर मतलब मेरा बस नहीं चल रहा. तो एंग्री होना एक्चुअली वीकनेस है. अब स्ट्रेंथ क्या हुआ? जो एंगर का ऑपोजिट होगा. तो प्रगति, एंगर का ऑपोजिट क्या है तुम्हारे लिए?
काम.
काम. तो काम स्ट्रेंथ है या एंगर स्ट्रेंथ है?
काम.
राइट.
बट आई मीन पॉइंट नोटेड आशीष. बट अगर आप जैसे देखते हो रोड रेज होता है,
हाँ.
मतलब पार्किंग के ऊपर लोगों के झगड़े हो जाते हैं. There's so much of anger that gets exchanged.
Correct.
I've had, at least from the time I've moved to Delhi, the kind of setup we have here. There are designated parkings, but a lot of times, sometimes, say some guest comes who doesn't know, they end up parking the wrong place.
Yeah.
And it's sad to see how people lose their cool. All they have to do is just politely say, and the person will remove the car.
Well,
But हमारा first, मतलब जो होता है attack.
This is a part of the society that we have built over this last 2 decades.
2 decades.
Especially this decade. Overall, tolerance has gone down, extremely down, because we are sticking too much to our identities. And people stick to their identities when they're really scared.
Scared of what?
Scared of losing their identity because they have not built themselves up. They think that this car is my identity, this parking space is my identity, my name is my identity, my culture is my identity, my religion is my identity. None of this is.
Is absolutely.
Your identity is your beliefs, your values, your attitudes, maybe your memories, your decisions, your behaviors. That's your identity. It's important to know what self is. So when I ask people, what is self? They usually come and tell me, okay, I am an engineer, I'm a doctor, I'm a dancer, I'm a parent, I'm a Hindu, I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian. They talk about all these things that are outside them as their identity. The problem with this is the day that outside thing falls, they feel scared. And that is where this anger comes in, because they have not built an identity for themselves. It is about how strong you are in your identity, which is not what you do or what you practice. It is about what you are inside.
I think आपने बहुत ही profound चीज कही है आशीष. But what it makes me realize right now is that the entire society conditioning is opposite of what you've just said.
Well, in my personal view, the society is quite driven by an artificial definition of success.
Yeah.
If I look at success, if I look at my own definition, success is the ability to do what you want to do when you want.
When you want to do, yeah. Actually,
that's simple.
Simple.
But success in today's society is about being bigger than others. Your success is being defined by other people. And it is turned into a race. And that race makes people put others down. And then there's anger, there's rage. So the whole system today is being driven in a race model rather than a coexistence model.
Yeah, and you rightly said, and that's how insecurities happen, comparisons happen, and then that whole again questioning of your own self-worth, self-esteem.
Correct.
Ki, am I not that good, or am I not as good as him, or am I not as good as her? उनको appreciation मिल रहा है, मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है. I mean, can you give us a tip for people who are accustomed to a lot of comparisons at home, either with their siblings or teachers are comparing to their other classmates.
Okay.
While I keep telling a lot of my peers and my kids sometimes that comparison is good when you're looking at somebody as a role model and you want to kind of start emulating that person for the right reasons.
Okay.
But not ki you want to race and you want to put down the person.
Okay, let us understand this. When you're looking at somebody who's successful in something, comparison is not the only way to learn from them. Look at what they are successful at, not everything. Do not look at the person, but at the trait, and model that trait.
Correct.
See, comparison is like poison.
Absolutely.
Think what this generation is feeding their kids. Comparative success, very dangerous term, to be honest. Because then the success is measured by the standards set by others. And the others are not defined. Because once you become as successful as somebody else, then you start running after somebody else or somebody else's success. And this starts right from childhood. It has a lot to do with parenting
Yeah.
and teaching and our education system.
I agree.
Our education system was developed to build clerks and slaves. So they brought the idea of grading. एक ऊपर है, एक नीचे है, एक नीचे है. और वो दिमाग में बैठ जाता है. It goes deeper in the psyche and then reflects throughout the life unless and until we do interventions and heal that. एक बड़ी मजेदार मूवी याद आ रही है, कुछ साल पहले मैंने देखी थी, बहुत बहुत मजा आया था देखकर. उसमें एक कॉलेज का डीन बोमन ईरानी ने प्ले किया था. एक मूवी थी 3 Idiots.
Yep.
बड़ी मजेदार फिल्म थी. वो कैरेक्टर शायद हम में से सब ने अपने अपने स्कूल्स में किसी टीचर में देखा होगा,
Yes.
जो उनको रेस के लिए भगाने के लिए लगा रहता है. और वो शायद कहीं उस इंसान की डिससैटिस्फैक्शन से आ रहा है, क्योंकि खुद वो नहीं बन सका जो वो बनना चाहता है, इसलिए सबको भगा रहा है वो.
Correct.
तो मेरी सलाह तो यह है कि जहां पे ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर दिखे, भाग जाओ. अपने आप को कंपैरिजन ट्रैप से दूर रखो. कंपैरिजन कैन बी पॉइजनस. दुख की बात पता है क्या है? बहुत सारे टीचर्स और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स फीड करते हैं अपने बच्चों को ये पॉइजन.
Oh God, I know. Yeah.
तुम
We don't realize.
उसके जितना क्यों नहीं पढ़ते? तुम उससे मोटे क्यों हो? तुम उससे पतले क्यों? तुम इतने शरारती क्यों हो? तुम इतने शांत क्यों? और पेरेंट्स जो ये कर रहे हैं, ये कहीं जो उन्होंने बचपन में देखा अपने साथ ये है. तो ये जनरेशनल गुंडागर्दी जो है, ये कहीं ना कहीं तो रुकनी है. किसी को तो रोकनी पड़ेगी.
वही सर, वो अवेयरनेस लानी है, वो अवेयरनेस. आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ अस लैक दैट अवेयरनेस.
ये बहुत जरूरी है कि जिन चीजों से आपको बचपन में दुख हुआ, उसे आगे अपनी जनरेशन में ना पहुंचाए. मैरिजेस में दिखाई देता है, लोग अपनी वाइफ्स या हस्बैंड्स को कॉन्स्टेंटली कंपेयर करते हैं.
या सैड.
कई बार ऑब्वियसली कॉन्वर्सेशंस में कंपेयर करते हैं, कई बार मन में कंपेयर कर रहे होते हैं. अरे ये मेरे एक्स जैसा नहीं है, या ये मेरी एक्स जैसी नहीं है, ये उसकी जैसी नहीं है, उसके जैसा नहीं है.
ट्रू.
आप अपनी और दूसरे की इंडिविजुअलिटी की डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हो. एंगर और फ्रस्ट्रेशन आएगा.
I think you're absolutely right there, Ashish. So, what is your closing message to all the teachers, professors, parents, elder siblings, friends?
I will go back to the point we were discussing, that there is an ideal picture in the head and there is a reality outside. And ask yourself, which one can you change? And I've heard many people say that I can change the world. But even to do that, start by changing your own self. Start by changing your own mind. Start by changing your own persona, where if you let go of that anger and frustration within yourself, you can actually spread that. Anger and frustration can go. It is just a behavior. It does not define your identity. So let it go. Thank you.